Maganda po yung magiging topic natin tonight. Pero bago yan, ay meron po kayong mga tax paalala, ka-partner Chris. Iyon, na-miss mo yan.
Na-miss ko to, yung tax reminder. Ayun po is January 30. Ito po yung deadline natin. I don't know kung nakahabol po kayo. Deadline po ng ating inventory for taxable year 2025. So, ako, share ko lang. Then, hindi po ito sa pagyayabang. As early as January 20, tapos na ako mag-file ng aking inventory list nationwide. Ayan, nationwide tuloy. And then, kasi Brother Bear, una, iniiwasan ko or kinakailangan kong i-control yung aking stress. Ayoko may stress ng deadline, dun pa lang ako magpa-file. So, as early as kaya kong gawin ng maaga, i-file ko na kasi nga po, medyo malalayo po yung aking ibang mga kliyente, nationwide nga. And then, January 30 din, ito yung deadline, filing ho ng 1702, yung BIR annual income tax return, ng regular, exempt transaction, at saka po yung mixed income earner with audited financial statement and other attachment through electronic audited financial statement, fiscal year ending September 30, 2025. So, next deadline is soft copies of inventory list. Ito yung diniscuss ko na nga. Inventory list and schedules of stored and saved in DVD or USB properly labeled together with the notarized sworn declaration, calendar year ending December 31, 2025. So, actually, yung pong doble yan eh. Nagsasubmit kami ng soft copy. At the same time, meron pa din kaming hard copy kasama po yung sworn declaration. So, pag sinabing sworn declaration, kinakailangan notarized. And parang meron pong nawala na naman ulit yung uniformity ng ating filing, or yung sabi ko nga lagi kong term is uniformity of taxation. So, every time na magpa-file po kami, yung siguro mga 60% ng mga RDOs, napapasyalan ko po yan. Ito, during filing ng aming inventory list. Merong mga BIR offices or RDO na nire-require po kami ng documentary stamp.
Mm-hmm.
Naka-attach doon sa nakadikit yon doon sa aming inventory list. Meron namang BIR offices, wala naman, basta tatak lang sila. Yon.